Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. M1 Finance offers a streamlined, user-friendly platform that caters to both seasoned investors and those just starting their investment journey. Their innovative approach allows you to build a personalized portfolio, or PI, composed of stocks and ETFs that align with your individual financial goals. This PI-based investing system simplifies portfolio management, enabling you to easily adjust your asset allocation with a few clicks. One of M1's standout features is its fractional share investing capability, meaning you can invest in even high-priced stocks with a smaller amount of capital. This opens up opportunities to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to a wider range of assets, regardless of your budget. M1 Finance also boasts commission-free trading and automatic rebalancing. This automated feature helps maintain your desired asset allocation over time, ensuring your portfolio stays on track with your investment strategy without requiring constant manual adjustments. Furthermore, M1 Finance provides access to dynamic rebalancing. This sophisticated tool automatically adjusts your portfolio based on market fluctuations, capitalizing on dips and taking profits when appropriate, further optimizing your investment performance. In addition to individual brokerage accounts, M1 Finance offers retirement accounts, IRAs, and trust accounts, catering to a variety of investor needs and long-term financial planning goals. They also provide options for borrowing against your portfolio, giving you access to liquidity when needed, while maintaining your investment strategy. M1 Plus, their premium membership, unlocks additional benefits such as a lower borrowing rate and a higher APY on their checking account, enhancing the overall value proposition for active investors. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, M1 Finance offers a robust and intuitive platform to manage your investments effectively. The combination of fractional shares, automated rebalancing, and a user-friendly interface makes it a compelling choice for those seeking a simplified yet powerful investment solution.